Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Claudette. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend about my channel. And don't forget to press the bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. So guys, today I'm going to give you a tour of my living and dining room. As I promised, after the holiday I will give you. So if that interests you, keep on watching. So guys, as you see, I took the Christmas tree down. The Christmas tree was right where this is right here. So I took the Christmas tree down. I took it down today. So you guys, I just finished cleaning up everything. So I said, let me give you a tour. So this is what it is. So you guys, so this right here is the tree. I have this in the kitchen, so that is what it looks like. Then this chair, I have the side chair. Guys, do you know that chair was brown and I sprayed it black? So but that chair, I got that chair from Ashley's. I got this chair from Ashley. I got the cushion from, the cushion is from Home Sense, so that is what it looks like. The fireplace is from Rona, so I have two chairs right there, right beside the fireplace. So two chairs, and as I said, they were brown. I don't know if you could see it. They were brown right there. They were brown, guys, and I sprayed it black. Yes, so it's yeah, pretty, like it. So this picture frame right here, I got it from Home Sense, and that little ornaments there, I got that from Urban Barns. The book, Versace book, I got that from Home Sense. The candle and the candle holder from Home Sense, I got this is at a candle holder. Got this from CB2, and I also got one of that from Home Sense. Guys, that's for a next video. And this, I got this from Home Sense. So this is what it is. So guys, the curtains, it's white, and they're like, what do you call it? Like of a see-through curtains. So I got these from Home Sense, and I think this is 84 by 102, because I have long, I think my the height from the ceiling down is 10. So that is what it is. And I have, these are custom blinds, and then I have the curtain rods I got from Home Sense as well. Guys, you know me, everything is Home Sense. So over on the other side, my lamp, I got that from Home Sense. The table, I got that from Wayfair. I got that a while back, guys. And I have my little I don't even want to call the name, because if I call the name, then it's gonna answer my Hey Google, and then see it answer right there. So I always have that right in the corner there, guys, to listen music. So I have to turn it down because no one no copyright. So I always have it in the corner there to listen to my music, guys. Maybe the neighbor, when I open my blinds and see me dancing and tidying up, they say, "Oh, that girl must be crazy." You know what it is. So yeah, guys. So I have this. This I got from a store. Oh God, guys, I got this such a long time. You know, I can't remember where I got that. I just can't remember. There was a store called Boring. I think that's where I got this Boring, and this was a while, way back. Maybe a good 15, 17 years now I got that. But I love it, guys, just loving it. Yeah, so I got the pear, and the sofa. I got the sofa from Ashley's, the sectional from Ashley. Loving it, love it, love it, love it. So the sectional I got from Ashley. Cushion I got from Home Sense. Love it. These cushion, loving these cushion from Home Sense. I got the lamp, loving this lamp. The lamp I got from, where did I get this lamp? Guys, I can't remember. If I remember, I tell you. Oh gosh, I can't remember, guys. But this picture frame I got from Home Sense. Loving it, loving it, loving it. And then there's next wall scans over there, and the lamp right there, and it's just the same thing that's over the other side. So this is what it is. Yes, so the throw right here I got from Home Sense. And then this book, one of my friends wrote a book, and this is what it is. So I just put it right there. And that little table I got from Home Sense as well. The rug I got from Home Sense. Guys, absolutely everything is from Home Sense. Home Sense, Home Sense, Home Sense. The picture frame, Home Sense, everything Home Sense. So this is an overall look. And guys, I have pot lights in the ceiling. Guys, the center table I got from Wayfair. And then, guys, this, we bought a house and then we renovated, guys. So this is what it is. I am just loving this right here. My husband and my kids, we all renovated it. So I have that little Bluetooth box right there. Yeah, guys, so as I told you, my husband is a contractor, so we bought this house and we got it and make it our own. So guys, the living and the dining is combined. So this is the dining room. Guys, you know that there is a little light I bought from Amazon. You guys, so this is a little light I bought from Amazon, and I put it in there so it shines in the night. It will shine up. So that is what it is. I put it on my channel before. So guys, the rug, Home Sense, everything's Home Sense. No, not everything in this area is Home Sense. These two, this Home Sense, that is Home Sense. The flowers, Home Sense. The light is Amazon. The table I got from a furniture store called Arrows, with this right here. I got from Arrows. So guys, this, I have this with some sea moss in it. So I took the sea moss to put in the plant over there. So, you know, say no. I have to go look something now for putting at that, but that's what it is right now. So this is the seat, the chairs I got from Ashley's way back. So this is what it is. So you guys, this is just simple. So, and then the picture frame was silver and I sprayed it white. Guys, all of this was silver and I sprayed it white. Yeah, and I got crown molding, I got the lights. So this is what it is from the dining room. Yeah, guys, so this is what it looks like from the dining room. So this is a living and dining combined. Loving that millwork right there. Loving the millwork, guys. Loving it, loving it, loving it. It is just gorgeous. So this is what it is. So just the overall of the living and dining. So this is what it is right now. So you guys. So guys, this is the end of the video. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend about my channel. And don't forget to press the bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. So guys, I catch you in my next video. Bye guys.